Good morning children. Today for the fourth standard की हिंदी के लिए पार्ट 13 lesson number 13 पक्षियों की पहचान. So पक्षियों, there are some birds pictures given over here children in your book. I have written down it according serial wise on the board. You have to just write down the correct name of the bird over here, and then you have to write look from your book textbook and write it in the classwork note the correct Hindi and the English words for the birds. You have to identify the birds. So the first one is, children, everyone knows it is a more. More means peacock. First one, more means peacock. Second is a green color bird, it's called a tota. Tota. In Hindi it's called tota. Tota means parrot. Then the third one is a grey color bird, that's a pigeon, kabutar. In Hindi it's called as kabutar, English pigeon. Fourth one is ullu. Ullu means, children, an owl. Ullu means a owl. Fifth one is kingfisher. You might have seen this bird near the water, known as kingfisher. That is, in English too, it's known as a kingfisher. Then the sixth one is a chidiya. Chidiya means a small sparrow. A small sparrow. Chidiya means a small sparrow. Then after that comes a barge. Barge means a vulture. It's a meat eaten in a bird, so it's known as a vulture. Barge means a vulture. Then you have katfudwa. Katfudwa is a woodpecker. It breaks the wood in the trees. The bark of the tree, the woodpecker keeps pecking. It's called as a woodpecker. Then you have a black color bird. Everyone knows kawa. It's known as crow. Then you have another bird here with brown wings. It's called as cheel. Cheels are eagles. Eagles. Then you have a bird with a yellow neck. Birds with yellow neck is known as maina. In English too they are known as maina. And the last bird is a murgi. Murgi means a hen. Children, this I have given you the English and the Hindi words in the board. You have to write it in the correct manner. Take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am. Plus you have to write it in the rough note 5 times and steady. This you have to write in your classwork note. Plus you have to write the others in your rough note 5 times and steady. You have to know the meaning. You have to know the Hindi spelling of all the birds along with the English spelling. So do this in your rough note. Take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am. Plus write the Hindi and the English words, bird names in your classwork note and send it to Rohana ma'am. Besides this, I want you, if it's possible, cut pictures of birds, different birds, and try to find their names in Hindi and in English. Stick it in your classwork note or in your scrapbook, because 4th standard students have made a scrapbook as per the activity. So if possible, stick different colored pictures of birds, but I would appreciate if you stick it with their Hindi name plus the English name. Do that as your homework, children. Take a picture and send it back to Rohana ma'am to get back. I'll check if it's correct and get back to you on that. Thank you.